if you have some loose tile like these, try this. We're going to be using this Gorilla heavy-duty construction adhesive. It works on many different types of materials: subfloors, mirrors, masonry, landscaping, brick, tile, metal, decks, drywall, concrete, aluminum, and tub and shower, as well as wet surfaces, granite, marble, trim paneling, and more. This is white, but it really doesn't matter. It's going to go under the tiles. I'm going to be working on those two top left tiles. I'm going to just flip them down so I'll know how they go back. Look, that one. You can see there's a little bit of moisture up there, up right in that area. And so we're going to clean this up a little bit with a putty knife, and then we'll put the adhesive back down. We have to clean up both surfaces. Okay, getting off the old adhesive. The instructions say you're supposed to apply the adhesive to a clean surface. So I'm assuming that if I scrape off all the old adhesive, the surface will be clean enough. So that's what I'm doing. All right, finally. So that's pretty good. Now for the backing. That's what else. Okay, well done. color should be like this. And this one, front to back, should be like this. Whoops. It's better now. Let's put a zigzag pattern on one surface. So we're going to use this surface. Little dab will do you. If you're interested in this adhesive, I'll put a link in the video description below. That should do it. Clean up, we'll be done. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Pretty good job blowing, I must say. I'm impressed. That's it. That's all, folks.